Have you ever seen plants bending in a certain direction? Are they bending towards the light? If yes, then how? We are here to answer all these questions today. The one-word answer for this bending of plants towards light is phototropism. Let's break the term. Photo refers to light and trophos is an ancient Greek term for turning. Don't worry, we will not leave the discussion here, of course. The mechanism should be known, right? So let's go back to a plant. Here, first we will do a simple activity of growing the bean sprout in a small pot. Water it for a few days and then you will see them sprouting and growing. Now we will place them in a cardboard box with a hole or section for the light to enter. Also make a hole for you to see the inside. Now it's time to light a lamp to shine from the side and observe the growth of plants for a few days. Eventually you will see the plants moving and bending towards the light source. Now, why is this happening? You might already know that plants make their own food by utilizing the sunlight. So, they need to maximize the amount of light they are receiving. Now, let's find the main game player of this process, the auxins, one of the plant hormones. Auxins are chemical messengers that are produced at the tip of the plant. These can make the cells grow longer. So if I have two cells, one with auxin and another without auxin, then there are fair chances of the plant cells with auxins growing faster and longer than the other one. One more thing to note, these are shade loving. In fact, the auxins degenerate in the presence of sunlight. So coming back to plant illuminated with light, auxins will be concentrated on the shaded or darker sides. So obviously these cells will grow longer, thus making the plant tip bend toward the side until the tip is pointing towards the light. Now in our activity, if you move the light source again, the plant will again do the same steps of process to point and grow towards the changed light source. Thus we may conclude that the plants reorient themselves to the source of light. Now it's quiz time. What do you think? Do all roots show positive phototropism? If yes, why? If not, why? Pause the video and write your answers in the comments. Now, many of you will say that the roots are negatively phototropic as they grow away from the light. Yes, it's true. But friends, have a look at these structures. These are roots and as you see, they are growing upwards. First of all, these are called pneumatophores, also known as breathing roots. These are most commonly seen in mangrove trees. They grow in the same direction as shoots, thus they are negatively geotropic and positively phototropic. Why are they growing upwards? Because mangroves are hydrophytic trees. They grow on land which is mostly underwater. So the specialized roots grow out of the water surface and help in aeration important for root respiration in the mangroves. So what do we conclude? In science, please use the most word instead of all. Most of the roots are negatively phototropic. These will save you from making an obvious statement and leaving the exceptions as well. So it's a win-win situation, right? Give a thumbs up if you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel for more fun and interesting sessions. Happy learning!